A gas undergoes a reversible non-flow process according to the relation P equal to minus 3B plus 15, where V is the volume in meter cube and P is the pressure in bar. Determine the work done when the volume changes from 3 to 6 meter cube. Determine the work done. So first of all, we note given data. Given that is given equation P equal to minus 3V plus 15 bar and B1 equal to 3 meter cube and B2 equal to 6 meter cube. Now the work done equal to W1 to 2 equal to integration B1 to B2 P into dB, and that is equal to integration B1 is 3, B2 is 6 and P is this one minus 3B plus 15 into dB into value of pressure is in bar. So 1 bar equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. On integration of this and this one is minus 3 B square by 2 plus 15B bracket limit 3 to 6 into 10 to the power 5, that is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 and this is 6 का square minus 3 का square plus 15 6 minus 3 into 10 to the power 5, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 36 minus 9 plus 15 into 3 into 10 to the power 5. After calculation, the value of work done will be that is equal to W1 to 2, that is this will be this 450 kilojoule. This is the work done. Okay. Next problem is a mass of gas is compressed in quasi-static process from 80 kPa, 0.1 meter cube, 0.4 MPa and 0.03 meter cube. Assume that the pressure and volume are related by PV की power n equal to constant. Find the work done by the system. Find the work done. So first of all, we note given data. Given P1, P2, B1 and B2. P1 equal to 80 kPa, P2 equal to 0.4 MPa, that is equal to 400 kPa. B1 equal to 0.1 meter cube, 0.1 meter cube and B2 equal to 0.03 meter cube, 0.03 meter cube. Given equation is PB की power n equal to constant. PB की power n equal to constant, this means this is polytropic process. PB की power n equal to constant. This is polytropic process. Polytropic process. Now the equation of polytropic process is that is work done W1 to 2. Work done in a polytropic process is W1 to 2 equal to P1 B1 minus P2 B2 divided by n minus 1. This is equation of work done in a polytropic process. Here value of P1, B1, P2, B2 are given. Only value of n is not given. So first of all we determine value of n, and after this we determine the value of work done. So from PB equal to RT, that is P1 B1 equal to P2 B2, and P1. Here process is polytropic, so P1 B1 की पावर n इक्वल टू P2 B2 की पावर n, P1 अपॉन P2 इक्वल टू B2 अपॉन B1 की पावर n. Taking log on both sides, that is ln P1 upon P2 equal to n ln B2 upon B1. Putting the values of P1, P2 and B1, B2 in this equation, and that is equal to P1 is 80 ln P1 is 80 divided by P2 is 400 equal to n ln B2 upon B1. B2 is this one 0.03 divided by 0.1. Okay, from this equation after simplification the value of n will be, this will be 1.33. This is value of n index. Now substituting these values or this value in the equation of work done. W122 equal to P1, that is 80, B1 that is 0.1 minus P2 that is 400 and B2 0.03 divided by 1.33 minus 1, and after calculation the value of work done will be W122 equal to 12.12 kilojoule. After calculation the value of work done is negative, that is W122 equal to minus 12.12 kilojoule. Value of work done is negative, it means the work is done on the system. Okay,